Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. Which of the following is not self-luminous? Okay, let us take a look at the concept luminous and non-luminous. Alright, good. So, luminous of itself, possessing in itself the property of emitting light. For example, we have the sun. Okay? Another example are the fixed stars. We also have flames of all kinds. Okay? Bodies which shine in consequence of being heated or rubbed are self-luminous. Okay? Good. Then on the other hand, non-luminous objects are capable of reflecting light to our eyes. A typical example of a non-luminous object is the moon. Okay? Good. So let us take a look at the answer option to know which of these is not self-luminous. A candlelight is a self-luminous object. B. The moon is not a self-luminous object. In fact, it is a typical example of a non-luminous object. Okay, let us check the other options before we conclude on this. The sun is an example of a self-luminous object. The incandescent electricity bulb also is an example of a self-luminous object. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.